Vardhan means improving. So guru is that, guru maybe, it's not like in the school, the teachers and he's a 5th grade teacher and you come into 5th grade and you come back 50 years later, he's still a 5th grade, he's 5th grade teacher and he only knows 5th grade subjects. It's not like a school teacher in the material world. This is spiritual teaching, and he's also practicing sadhana. So you meet the guru and he teaches you something, ABC, because he knows ABC. But 10 years later, he may know more than ABC. he knows D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P. And then 30 years later, he knows A to Z. You have to because if you can advance, why he can't? You can advance, but Guru can't. You can go from Kanishta to Madhyam, but a Guru is forever damned to be a Madhyam. He can't become Madhyam Kanishta or Madhyam or Madhyam Uttam. Even they have divisions like this. Madhyam Kanishta, Madhyam Uttam. Then Uttam Kanishta, Uttam Madhyam, and Uttam Uttam. Depending on the level of faith and attainment and realization. These divisions are there. So, if it works, if the process of bhakti, devotional service works for the disciple, it must also work for the guru. So the idea that we'd like to have as a disciple, a progressive idea is, well, my guru is always one step ahead of me. So as long as I feel that way, that he's one step ahead of me, then I have one more step to learn, because he knows one more step than I do. With that humility and that submission and that regard, then we can go forward. Oh yeah, I'm catching up now. My guru was 10 steps ahead of me. Oh, now he's only 9. Oh, but now look. Oh, now he just made 5 more steps. Now he's 14. Oh, I have to work really hard. Oh, now look, I'm catching close. Like they say, they had this phrase, my guru may be right, he may be wrong, he's always right.